Welcome to Gaming Fin, your channel for everything related to the gaming industry and the financial markets. And the stock of today, or I would say I have two stocks of the day that are very strongly interlinked. It's Bigben Interactive and NACON. So if you don't know NACON, so that's the chart of NACON now since April 2021. So since NACON became at the Euronext, I think that's the Euronext also, became independent stock. So I got, I'm invested in Bigben, and then they gave me some NACON stocks when the split happened. So I think I was around about here. So I was around about here in mid 2022, and I was like, wow, the stock is performing awesome. So you found some of my videos. So I'm still invested, so in Interactive, Bigben Interactive, and in NACON. But that's how the stock looks now, my friends. So this is how the stock looks now. So we are more or less, let's say where we have been in 2016. So 7 years investment in vain. 7 years investment in vain. So let's have a little look at Bigben Interactive and at NACON. So NACON is Bigben Interactive has a big part of NACON. So you find more information on this, of course, in my other videos where I already talked about this in detail. So dividend yield 5.67%. That's very high. PE ratio of 9.36%. So, and we have a market cap of only 98 million euros. So that's really low. But now you would say, from a technical point of view, well, if you would have invested at the top, you would have lost 75%. But if we would go back now, let's say go back to the top, then you would maybe triple your money. So, but is this possible? Will this happen? So, guys, of course, no one knows. So I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a YouTuber, and I have no idea about stocks. So please make your own research. So otherwise, you lose all your money. So that's a disclaimer, and I have to tell you this. And obviously, when I got my NACON stocks, when they were split from Bigben, I was like, okay, they go up a little bit. That's cool. And since then, free fall. And since the stock is very new, I don't know when the free fall stops. So, because I actually considered, my friends, I considered to buy some more NACON, but I could have considered it, for example, at 4 euros, and now we are 2 euros, so 2 euros and 8 cents, and maybe we even fall to 1 euro. So I really don't exclude this, because if we look now at NACON, so here again the chart. So we have like a market cap of 180 million. So you see, Bigben Interactive has a lower market cap than NACON. So PE ratio also around about 10. So NACON, French video game company based in Lescun. It designs and distributes gaming accessories and publishes and distributes video games for various platforms. And Dogecoin Entertainment also exists, by the way, so I have to also look a little bit more in detail. And then we have Focus Entertainment. That's also a company I'm invested in. So let's check also the page of NACON. So annual statement. So if I look at the statement, so yes, sure, revenue, operating expenses actually down, net income also 45% down. If we look at the balance sheet on an annual basis, we see total liabilities up, but also total assets are up. And then we see the cash flow is negative since 2 years. 2020 it was positive, so net income here 45% down. So numbers are maybe not the best, but is this actually going to be a turnaround? Is this going to be a turnaround story? So I don't know. It's so difficult to say, my friend. So I really can't say it. So, for example, would I now personally buy for myself those NACON hardware? So are you having NACON hardware? Is this something you would buy? So now everything is in German, sorry. So my PC itself is in German, therefore they always think they have to show me everything in German. And if we look on Bigben, we see Bigben Group here. Oh, the page really is not so awesome, I have to say, on Bigben. So yeah, already talked about this, about the story of Bigben and NACON. So I would say let's have a look here at the upcoming NACON games. So I'm reloading. So what are the games we going to get from NACON? So Clash, Artifacts, and Chaos. So when it comes to those games, I'm not so ultra negative, but on the other hand, we all know We all know the WRC games, so they're actually not so good rally games, but we all know this one looks actually very good. We all know that the gaming market is in general now in a little downturn, so gaming companies, so Steel Rising, also cool gaming companies that might not have performed so good with AA games, or not AAA games, with AA games, that they are going to get punished even more. But on the other hand, if we get out of this terror recession situation we have all over the world, in Europe as well as in the US, that hey, those companies can still make money because they also have a back catalog. So if we scroll here down, you see there is also a decent, nice back catalog. And even if they sell those back catalog games sometimes for incredible cheap prices, it's still people getting a V-Rally 4, still people getting the WRC games, some tennis games, so all of this cool. So, but NACON definitely needs also, they really need to lead one hit at least to start getting in, let's say, getting some more attention as a company. Steel Rising was already a very good idea, so it's also mostly positive and looks very pretty. So this was a good idea. Session Skate Sim is, people like this a lot, so very positive rated. And we have WRC Generations, the new WRC game. It's only mixed rated. And Blood Bowl we have mostly negative. And Clash Artifacts of Chaos, very positive rated. So you see, and Werewolf mostly positive. You see, it's a company that's sometimes a bit tricky, so with them. So, but I already made more also a video about those numbers. So why I'm saying they're my stock of the day? Yeah, it's simply also because they are. If I'm looking here, 5% up. Now you would say, yeah, but Mr. Orange. Ubisoft est aussi augmenté. So I'm speaking French. So Ubisoft is also up 3.18% today. And on 5 days, you would say Ubisoft is up 11%. That's a great company. So yeah, we have on the overall picture, you see Ubisoft is coming back 25%. So therefore, buy low, sell high. So we can't say this often enough. So, and NACON is now extremely low and is now 5% up. So does this mean we found the NACON bottom? Is this now the turnaround in NACON and we might see again a NACON price of 5-6 euros? Well, I can't tell you guys. So I have to tell you, I can't tell you. So also Bigben also today up 5%. So overall, I'm pretty impressed that those French gaming companies starting to have a little counter moving, counter movement. It's definitely not a bull market. So it's still extremely volatile. And if you look now on the 5-year chart, so from 76% for Bigben Interactive, it simply goes down since 2 years. So I don't know where the motivation would come for anyone. Also for Ubisoft, since 2 years it goes down. Even if it's 5 years it goes down for anyone actually buying more into those stocks. So my NACON position is also very small. It's now 54% down. It's 0.06% of my overall stock portfolio. Also my Ubisoft position is also still small, and I'm also at almost 50% down. So, and as I said, my NACON position is like inexistent with 0.00% in the portfolio, since I have like six stock of NACON, so it's not even visible in my portfolio, and also down 53%. So if I would buy, for example, now NACON, this would mean if they go up, I would profit immediately from the price. So therefore, I'm looking forward actually to see how it develops. So one more leg down, this would be fun. If it would just go down to €1, then I would try. At €1, I would try. So I don't recommend anyone to do what I would do, because probably if I do this, guys, you lose all your money and then you're going to get angry with me. So I don't want this. So, all right. So stock of the day, or stocks of the day: NACON, Bigben Interactive, and Ubisoft. Maybe, yeah, Ubisoft. We are not talking enough about Ubisoft. I think that's a problem. We should talk more about Ubisoft. Goodbye. Have a nice one.